What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, John Blanchon. Welcome back to Chula Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for a reaction video for Beanie for their latest official music video ng kanilang kantang Unang Kilig. Oh my God! Thank you so much po sa nag-request nito to check out this official music video. I'm so excited to check this out. But before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Chula Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God. Unang Kilig. I love the title of the song. Ay, parang audition. Hey, Unang Kilig. Cute. Ay, Mika. Ganda ni Mika, guys. Ay, here's the girls. Audition nga. Diba? Ganyan yung mga pa-audition, guys. Oh my God, look at Gwen. Grabe. Bagay sa kanyang blonde, long hair. Ayun, Maloy. Sorry guys, sino na nga yun? Si Mika ba? Yung ano? Ay hindi, yung beauty queen. Oh my God, sorry guys. Hindi ko talaga ganun pa rin ka-memorize. So, kasi magkakamukha naman sila. Ay!
Actors ready?
Ay, ito na.
And action!
Oh my God, Cathy Garcia is here! Ay!
Gangster!
Oh my God! Ay, si OG Diaz nandito din. Gangster! Bang na talo. Oh my God! Gawin sexy lang. Oh my God, Ma'am Sharo is here as well, guys. Miss Malu Santos. Unang Kilig. Richard Gutierrez. Oh my God, guys. Grabe naman pala. Star-studded.
It's
No,
okay,
kita-
baby. Okay lang yan. Safe ka sa amin, ha? You know why, huh? Kasi nandito na si Mommy and Daddy! Dami-dami sinasabi
Ang
pero
cute!
paraan para maging masaya lang.
Oh my God, grabe.
Kung mapagbibigyan
Pogi ni Richard.
bibigyan
Ay, parang hindi happy ang mga judge.
ang puso ko'y
Oh, Gerald Anderson is here.
di pwedeng paglalaroan.
Diba? Ay, kamukha pa naman talaga siya ni Nadine. Oh my God. Si James Reid din siguro nandito. Stacy. Tama ba, Stacy, no? Ay. Maloy naman. Iba. May pa-walling, pa-curtain ang Maloy. Ay, oh.
Ang dami-dami mong chance para sabihin sa akin yung totoo pero hindi mo ginawa. Bakit mo inamin, Joko? Dahil narinig mo na mahal kita? At dahil mahal kita, in-expect mo na patatawarin kita?
Oh my God, are they going for acting soon, guys? Practice na ba to ng Beanie?
Yes. Kaibigan mo lang ako.
Ay, grabe ang
Kaibigan
Mika.
mo lang ako.
Kulang.
Kulang.
Ang kulit ni Maloy.
Oh yes. Kaibigan mo ako. Kaibigan mo lang ako.
And I'm so stupid to make the biggest mistake of falling in love with my best friend. Very good! Galing, galing! Ang
Ang galing nyo.
Ang pogi ni Gerald.
Makilala ka ng bago ang ikot ng mundo. Isang
Wow.
sulyap lamang ang oras ay huminto. Nakakakilig, nakakabaliw pa rin.
I love the dance.
Just give me some. Gusto mo na ba na sa'kin magaling? Gusto mo ba malaman ano ang iniisip? Let's lose track of the time and rewind and repeat. 'Cause boy, he's my guarantee. Tuloy sa tamis ng unang kilig. Para sa'kin
Hey.
gusto mo malaman ano ang iniisip?
I love the chorus of the song. Nakaka-LSS.
This boy, he's my guarantee. Tuloy sa tamis ng unang kilig.
Grabe. Uy, sino yung nag-high notes? Galing. And of course, sobrang star-studded. I love na merong pa-acting-acting in the middle. So good. Grabe yung glow up talaga ng mga girls. Sobrang gaganda. Magkakamukha na sila, guys. Hey! Oh my gosh! There you have it, guys. That is Beanie for the official music video of their latest single, Unang Kilig. Oh my God! Grabe. I love it. It's so cool. I love the concept of the music video na may pa-audition, tapos unang kilig, yung mga linya ng mga favorite nating rom-com ng Star Cinema. And of course, nakita naman natin naman kanilang mga star-studded guests. Grabe, nakakatawa, and it's so entertaining. I wanted to see them doing live performance of this, guys, kasi grabe yung dance step dun sa dulo, no? 'Di ba parang hindi sila nakuha sa audition, so naging Beanie sila. And they are so good in what they're doing. At nakita niyo man na happy ang ating mga judges at the end. At may pa season 2. Anong ibig sabihin nun, guys? I-chika niyo yan sa ating comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Lacia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.